Hello guys, welcome to Pronouncist, your pronunciation guide. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word shown on the screen, zebra. First, let's hear its American pronunciation, zebra. Now, read the syllables of U.S. pronunciation shown on the screen naturally. Z, bruh, zebra. Z, bruh, zebra. Now, let's focus on British pronunciation of this word, zebra. Now, read the syllables of British pronunciation shown on the screen naturally. Zeb, r, zebra. Zeb, r, zebra. US says Z, UK says zeb. Stress Z or zeb. Zebra. Zebra. Practice repeatedly and you'll soon be able to say this word perfectly. The best way to practice is to repeat the syllable multiple times. The meaning of the word is a black and white animal. Try repeating this word several times to improve your pronunciation. We post daily videos on useful and commonly mispronounced words to help you speak clearly and confidently. Like this video and subscribe to Pronouncist for more pronunciation guides. Thanks for watching us.